Hey guys, hey, Jay Macklin here, Platinum Living Realty, and I'm standing outside of my office here in DC Ranch, and this is going to be an office that we're going to tour for the broker owners coming up on October 18th and 19th at the Broker Summit here in Phoenix. Hopefully it won't be as hot as it is right now. Actually, it's going to be really nice, but we're going to do an office tour, so I thought I would give you kind of a sneak peek of our office. Come join me. All right, guys. Okay, here we are. Let's take this beautiful tour. So as you guys walk in, some of you guys have been here. I'm not sure if all of you guys have been in our office, but as you can see, here's Sam. Sam runs our agent services and technology, so you guys are going to talk to her, and I'll do a quick interview with her as well. But that's the first thing you see when you walk in, so it makes everybody so happy. Of course, here's our conference room. And then as you guys go down, we're going to interview and talk to all of these people, and you guys have access to talk to anybody you want. Of course, that's Tasha's office. She runs our graphic design and branding. And then our workstation areas. It is Friday afternoon, so we're a little quiet here, but that's okay. And then our kitchen. So we're going to do this on October 18th and 19th. We're going to do a tour. I think it's only been the 18th. And then, of course, here's my office. And I'll have you guys talk to all the department heads and have you guys talk to anybody you want within the brokerage. Catch some people off guard. There she is. There's Tasha. And there's Barb and there's Scotty. They run our order to pay and commission department, so you guys will have access to them as well. Thanks for letting me stick my camera in your face. Of course, all you guys know Michelle, and there's Morgan. You guys will have access to them when you're here. So anyway, October 18th and 19th, guys, make sure you guys are here. We're doing an office tour. We can actually do two if we have enough time, but this will be our DC Ranch office, and I'd love to have you guys talk with all of our staff and get some ideas about what they're doing. Okay, guys, we'll talk soon. See you later. Bye-bye.